Hey ladies, I want to come and give you an update on this hair. I've been getting so many questions about this hair via my video or Instagram. So I had to come and do an update video. As you could probably tell, I lightened the hair. Guys, you guys know Peruvian is my first. Peruvian texture is my first. I love it. It just seems a little bit more, I'm not sure what the camera's picking up. I'm looking in the viewfinder to kind of see, but it's just dull to me. And you know, if you're gonna wear extensions, you need to wear extensions that, you know, kind of subtle. We don't want shiny hair. But however, let's just get into it. So let's just get right into the hair. This is the Julia Virgin hair. This is their Peruvian body wave. I can't get enough of this hair. I really do enjoy this hair. I have so many other wigs that I have created that I haven't even worn because I really like this hair. Now this is a bit long for me. You guys know I kind of stick with my 16-inch. I do a 16, two bundles, 16, a 14, and a 14-inch, either a closure or a frontal. That's like my signature lengths. But however, I want to get a little fancy. I keep looking in the viewfinder. I don't know why. I think I'm in a different spot, so it's got me feeling a little awkward. But however, I want to try something different. When I first installed the hair, I really enjoyed it, but I just felt it was a little bit too dark for me, so I did lighten it. I did not use any bleach, like a powder. I just went and got a box dye from Walmart, and what I used was the Revlon Color Silk, if I'm not mistaken. I threw the box away, but it was one of the most inexpensive ones that was there because I wasn't too sure if it was going to even take anyway. So I did get I think I got Warm Blonde, and I just wanted to lift just a tad bit. You know, if you can kind of see the hues, it's nothing too serious. I just wanted to have something, just lighten it a little bit, just so it wouldn't be so dark, because the hair was extremely dark and it didn't damage the hair. The actual kit came with a nice deep condition, so I was able to condition the actual wefts, and everything is still good. Now I will say, which happens in any bundles, I am experiencing a little bit of shedding, but that could be from whatever. You know, I do brush the hair quite a bit. If you're brushing the hair a lot, and I'm not brushing it because it's tangled or because it's fraying up or it's balling up, I'm brushing it because I just like to brush the hair. And sometimes when you over manipulate something, it can tend to be, you know, not damaged, but just bothered. So, you know, I'm pulling hair throughout the wefts and things like that. So I'm pretty much making friction within the wefts and within the weft construction. So I'll put that fall on me, not on the actual hair itself. But overall, I do really enjoy this hair. I just plop it on. I was using the got2b glue, the glued products in regards to the yellow, the black. So that would be the normal hole or the extra ultra hole, and then the actual freeze spray. Now I do use the freeze spray just to curl my hair and to keep my curls in. So I do use it for that, and it doesn't make the hair hard. I just go ahead and after I curl it, I'll either spray the hair before I curl it, or I'll spray it after I curl it once it cooled down. And then I'll just go ahead and brush the curls out, because it will be a little crunchy, but once you brush it out, it's nice and soft, and your curls will look nice and just bouncy. It won't hold the curl as how you curled it, but it will give it a nice wave. So a nice little cute look, just like this, you know, something simple, effortless. That's what I'm looking for. So nevertheless, I really enjoy this hair. Right now they are having some promotion going on, which, what was the better timing? I'm doing an update, they're doing a promotion. I'm gonna leave all the information down below. They gave us a coupon code so we can get some, you know, some coins off. We always like a discount when we can get one. So I'll leave all that information down below. And guys, I will definitely keep you updated, you know, if you want to know more about this hair. I really like it. I really like it. I have stopped wearing a lot of my other units because of this hair. I really like it, and it's long. You guys can see I am 5'2", so you see where it comes. It's down here. I'm looking in the viewfinder so I can show you guys what's going on. And that is it. What do you guys think? Do you like the color? Do you see how it looks a little bit lighter? It's not too, you know, too busy. I do wear this unit to work. This is like that wig I just put on and go. I did add an elastic strap to the frontal. So I'm kind of close, ain't I? So I did add, like I said, I added an elastic strap to the frontal. So I'm able to just pretty much put this thing on and it's not going anywhere. Because I used a dome, a canvas, what do you call that? A canvas wig head. So I have a 21 inch or 21 circumference, is how you would say it, wig head, which is my head because it fits so nice and snug. And then I put an elastic band. So there's no need for glue, there's no need for anything, there's no need for even anything to manipulate your edges, because I was kind of afraid if I kept using that product it might take out my edges, but I didn't want to play around anymore. I do like the product, but you know, say if I'm going out and I might be possibly my wig might slide back, then I will put that on. But other than that, just to go to work and do errands and run around, and even if I do go out, I'll still wear it like this because at the end of the day it's not going anywhere. It's so snug on my head. So yeah, let me know down below what you think about the new color, how you like it. I kind of toned it down, it's not so harsh. And just let me know if you tried the company before. I want to say hey to all my new subscribers, hey to all my loyals, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.